Gonna be trying to make a center punch out of 3 pieces of this old tool steel file. At least I would assume they're tool steel. They're probably... No, I don't know if these were hand forged or not. I don't know what way blacksmiths forged files. Anywho, that all aside, yeah, I'm gonna clean these up good and then weld them together with hard facing rods. Really good. And then we're going to grind it down to see if I can make a center punch. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's probably going upside down. It's crazy, whatever. That's because I'm gonna put all my plexiglass with here pieces on my old file and then weld together with hard facing rods. So without further ado, let's get into that. Yeah, that's good enough. Zoom in. Yeah. Hard facing rod's pretty interesting. It's like a straight transfer. All those get long arc and it's got these angles. is what 3 old steel files turned into. I don't know if you call this redneck blacksmithing or what, but oof, pounded the snot out of it so many times, got it red hot, yellow hot, over and over and over, and just smacked it and pounded it. And oh my word! I just smush them all together, and then if they are together, I'm going to grind it into a center punch. I didn't plan on doing that, but that's kind of what it turned into, so I'm going to see what happens from here. Should be interesting. Just considering all those layers and layers of beads I did with that hard-facing rod, I never chipped the slag off. The slag just kind of incorporated into the bead. It's going to be messy and terrible for a first time at, what do you call it, pseudo-blacksmithing? It's not even that. I don't know what it is. This should be interesting. Here's my finished chunk of pseudo-blacksmith old files I hammered together and welded together. Now it's got to turn it to a center punch. So this is the end product. I cut the chunk of metal down the middle and then used a flap disc to clean it up. So yeah, they're not pretty. I mean, I think they're kind of cool. Like, sure, they got slag holes and everything, but I think that makes it look really neat. I didn't try to make it like that because it was just an experimental thing, but I think it turned out good. It's all tool steel, and everything else is hard-facing rod holding it together. And there's a tiny bit of tungsten in there from when I ran like an old used tungsten like that long all over it, and it just kind of melted into the metal. Yeah. And I did test it. It makes center punches pretty good and didn't lose any of that tip on there. Here's the bigger one. Yes, I know you can see the 3 files mushed together in there. Considering how it's fused on all the other sides, I don't think it's going to come apart. There's a smaller one. See, I'm happy with that. And just to prove a point, let me go focus, use them. Good enough. I need to take a little bit, focus, whatever, take a little bit of slope off. Because the center punches look a little funny yet. But yeah, I didn't lose. Focus! Focus, okay, fine. Don't be like that. Anywho, I didn't lose any of the pointing on them. That's kind of the point I'm trying to make. So, yeah, project finished.